There are so many metronomes out there. Do you ever ask yourself, which one should I use? Metronomes come in all kinds of styles and sizes, and nowadays you can even get them on your smartphone. Many musicians even have several metronomes that they use for different needs. Here are some features you might want to consider when searching for your perfect metronome. Volume control. Being able to control the volume of the clicking is very important. You'll want to be able to hear it, and you also don't want it to be irritatingly loud or overpower your instrument. Headphone compatibility. You might not mind the clicking because you're so focused on practicing, but your family might get a little tired of it after a while. If you live with others, be considerate and use headphones when appropriate. Different sounds and tones. If you do get annoyed by an irritating sound of the click, you might be able to change it. Some metronomes will even count the beats for you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Different meters or beat patterns. Most of the time you'll just want a basic click, but other times you might want a metronome that can emphasize the downbeat of a 7/8 meter or other complicated time signatures. Ease of use. If you're using an app, make sure the design complements your style. I've deleted some metronome apps because the buttons were too small and found myself wasting time trying to get the tempo I wanted. Bookmarks. Some metronome apps allow you to keep a database of different songs and their tempo. Instead of trying to remember what a tempo for a certain song was at, just click on the song title on your list. Lights and visuals. Some metronomes have a visual aspect that can help you not only hear the beat, but see it too. This can be especially helpful if you're rehearsing with a group or if your instrument is too loud to hear the click. Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so that we know you want to see more topics like this. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials every week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video. And if you're looking for a complete piano education, click the link to visit hoffmanacademy.com. See you next time.